Hello everyone, my name is Stacy Sue M. Arkina and I'm going to tackle about bicarbonate. When we say bicarbonate, know that this is the second most abundant anion in the ECF. Total carbon dioxide comprises the bicarbonate ion, carbonic acid, and dissolved carbon dioxide, with bicarbonate ion accounting for more than 90% of the total carbon dioxide at physiologic pH. Bicarbonate is a major component of the buffering system in the blood. Carbonic anhydrase in RBCs converts carbon dioxide and water to carbonic acid, which dissociates into hydrogen and bicarbonate. Bicarbonate diffuses out of the cell in exchange for chloride to maintain ionic charge neutrality within the cell. This process converts potentially toxic carbon dioxide in the plasma to an effective buffer, bicarbonate. Bicarbonate buffers excess hydrogen by combining with acid, then eventually dissociating into water and carbon dioxide in the lungs where the acidic gas carbon dioxide is eliminated. In regulation, most of the bicarbonate in the kidneys 85% is reabsorbed by the proximal tubules, with 15% being reabsorbed by the distal tubules. Because tubules are only slightly permeable to bicarbonate, it is usually reabsorbed as carbon dioxide. In alkalosis, with a relative increase in bicarbonate, kidneys increase excretion of bicarbonate compared with carbon dioxide into their urine, carrying along a cation such as sodium. This loss of bicarbonate from the body helps correct pH. In clinical applications, acid-base imbalances cause changes in bicarbonate and carbon dioxide levels. A decreased bicarbonate may occur from metabolic acidosis as bicarbonate combines with hydrogen to produce carbon dioxide, which is exhaled by the lungs. The typical response to metabolic acidosis is compensation by hyperventilation, which lowers PCO2. Elevated carbon dioxide concentrations occur in metabolic alkalosis as bicarbonate is retained, often with increased PCO2 as a result of compensation by hypoventilation. The typical cause of metabolic alkalosis are severe vomiting, hypokalemia, excessive alkali intake. That will be all. Thank you.